of the ESG due diligence and the social dimension, our approach and services we'll be discussing. We'll share how social considerations are assessed and addressed in practice. So to take this forward, I'll request Mrs. Ritika Bhatia and Ms. Sushri Sunanda Sahu to come on the stage and share a brief on this.
So environment, social governance, due diligence, जहाँ पे क्या होता है कि जब भी कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट हम लेते हैं किसी से, इन्वेस्टर ये चाहता है कि हम अपने रिस्क एज अ कंपनी, एज एन इन्वेस्टिंग कंपनी, एज एन इन्वेस्टर वो अपना रिस्क कम करना चाहते हैं, राइट? सो ESG एक फ्रेमवर्क है जहाँ पे एक इन्वेस्टर की रिस्क को कम करने के लिए इंडिविजुअल या फिर इंडिपेंडेंट हर साल वाले सेशन में बता रहे थे. फर्स्ट इज आपको पॉलिसीज मेंटेन करने चाहिए बहुत सारे, जैसे आपका बेसिक डॉक्यूमेंट इज MOA एंड AOA. So your company should not engage in any activity which is not specified in the objectives clause of your memorandum of association. Similarly, the way you're functioning within the company, वो सारी operational parameters आपके AOA में detailed होनी चाहिए. You cannot do any and everything. आज सुबह मुझे मन किया मैंने construction company register करी है, but today I want to go into consulting. ऐसा नहीं होता है. आपके objects clause में वो properly capture होना चाहिए. Similarly, when it comes to policies, you have to have, let's say, an equal opportunity policy. ये एक legal requirement है. Similarly, आपको ABC policy होनी चाहिए.
Guru offers also. Alongside this, very recently, being member of EHS Guru, I was part of one very important project, which is with a corporate, with a very named corporate, who wanted us to pitch in and look at all their supply chains. The reason why they wanted us to do that is because to understand if there's any loophole existing which can be filled in. The reason for them to also do this is to see that when investors come into picture to invest in them, they should feel that the company is growing alongside their suppliers. This is very important in today's world, and this is exactly what we talk of when we talk of ESG, the S of ESG, which is social.